Oh, that's a very good shot. Afridi can play down the ground, that's for sure. Bounces away down to the boundary. Well, this is a shot that he does play well. 57 or 44, and Afridi quite happy to go along as his partner. But I think he's decided to change his mind. That's all the way. That's a 6. Afridi has said, it's my turn now. Either that or he really fancies Cyrus. I think it might be a bit of both. And this was the off spinner, the slow ball. But Afridi saw it very early. It was drifting from middle stump to middle leg, and he just whacked it. Well, there he goes again. This is 6. It's all the way. It's on the roof. It's a biggie. Shahid Afridi has decided that the man in your picture now is cannon fodder. Either that or he's absolutely sick and tired of blocking. Oh, the guy's got a 6 as well. Oh, it goes whistling into the crowd. No one is going to catch that. Yes, I'm afraid there is nowhere to go for him at the moment. Oh, there it is. It's in the air again, and that's all the way as well. As I was going to say, they love their cricket, but as far as spectators are concerned, there's no way in the world they'll ever catch one. That's the 100 partnership. Afridi is getting stuck in 3 6s in the over. It's 101 for none.
Over the top, but it's gone straight up. It's going to test the fielder at long arm. No, it's not. It's just a little too deep. Clearing the fielder by just maybe a couple of yards.
Down the wicket he goes. That's 6. That's a biggie. That's flat, and it's whistling into the crowd. Gummies to the crowd. Never catch one in this part of the world. In Aussie, they'll do anything to catch it. There he goes again, and that's another big one. Into the crowd again, and I bet they dropped it. Up go the arms of umpire Shepherd. Sexy shot as the call from the outfield. Well, that's in the air, but it's over the top. It won't quite reach the boundary. Bouncing away to the fence for 4. Oh, he's strong, isn't he? Anything short he gets onto, but he really does try and hit it hard.
1,000 ODI runs for Shahid Afridi. And he's reached them in grand style. Oh, that's a biggie, that's 100. That's gone out of here. What a way to get your 100. Well, everyone is on their feet here in Sharjah. Stephen Fleming is clapping his effort. And Shahid Afridi has really played a fantastic innings. And it's gone for it, and that's well, on the bounce to the boundary, but Pakistan have won it in grand style here. Shahid Afridi has made it look ridiculously easy in the end.